Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am the Omni viewer, and it's time to see what holidays await us on the week of May 24th through the 30th. Sunday, May 24th is Eid al-fitr, whatever that is, and it's also National Scavenger Hunt Day. Ergo, this is a good day to go and search out things that have been hidden all over the house, or maybe throughout the yard. Kinda like an Easter egg hunt, but not, because it's not specific about eggs, or, you know what, just make up whatever sort of scavenger hunt you want. You know what to do. Monday, May 25th is Memorial Day, and also National Wine Day. Now that's not wine as in complain in a high-pitched, irritating voice, but wine as in a fine red wine, or a white wine, depending on what you're having for dinner that night. And since the 18th Amendment was repealed, it's okay to have a glass of wine every once in a while. So this is an excellent day to enjoy your liver and fava beans with a nice Chianti. Don't drink and drive, and don't drink too much. Tuesday, May 26th is National Blueberry Cheesecake Day. Yep, blueberry cheesecake. One of the tastiest and most popular cheesecakes out there. Food holiday, you know the drill. Wednesday, May 27th is National Cellophane Tape Day. That's what it says, cellophane tape. So, yeah. Forget it, moving on. Thursday, May 28th is International Hamburger Day. We haven't had an international holiday in a while. And this one's devoted to hamburgers. Now this is already considered a national holiday in Hamburg, or at least that's what I assume, and for the rest of us, we just enjoy hamburgers. So go ahead, load it with cheese and bacon, tomatoes and lettuce, and enjoy with a side of fries. Friday, May 29th is World Digestive Health Day, which, depending on what you put on your burger the previous day, might be a very difficult holiday to get through. So be sure to take care of your digestive system, have some bran, but not too much, you will regret it. And Saturday, May 30th is Water a Flower Day. All you have to do on this day is water a flower. That's it. Whoop-de-doo. And that's where we're gonna end it. Until such time as we meet again, this is the Omni viewer signing off. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it, as well as subscribe to the channel for more content of a similar nature. Also, check the description for links to our Twitter, DeviantArt, and Patreon pages, as well as the Amazon link for the novel Operation Red Dragon: The Daikaiju Wars Part 1, penned by yours truly. Thank you all, and we appreciate your support.